Welcome to our tutorial on the slot command. First, I'll select the slot command from the Sketch-based Features toolbar. The slot definition dialog window opens. It looks similar to the rib definition window. The slot command removes material from a solid, unlike the rib function, which adds material to a solid. First, let me select a profile. As you can see, it is open. The slot command allows you to use an open profile as long as it intersects with the face from which you're removing material. Okay, let's select a center curve. I'll use this one here. Click Preview. Now let's select a different profile control. We'll select Pulling Direction. In the direction to pull, we will select this line. Click Preview. You can see the profile is always parallel to this line. Let's go back to Keep Angle and click Preview. I'm going to change the center curve now. I'm going to use this one. Click Preview. As you can see, this slot looks a lot smoother now. Okay, cancel. Although both of these curves look almost parallel to each other, this center curve starts at the same point as the open profile. When you create a slot, you need to watch for this type of detail. Let's go back to our slot definition. Select the profile, select the curve, preview. Everything looks good. Okay. And this concludes our tutorial on the slot command.